Hello everybody, Mama Mita here, and today I want to talk to you about these grape leaves out here. These belong to my neighbor, and so I'm going to be picking some today to make possibly tomorrow a fresh pot of stuffed grape leaves. So he recently got this property about a year ago, and I didn't even see this until I was riding a bike down here. I've been training to get ready to go on my bike tour down to Portland, and I spotted these. I'm like, wait a minute, that's grape leaves. Oh, geez, good. So I asked, hey, do you mind if I pick a few of you grape leaves? So everything's cool. So we're going to go out here and we're going to pick a few grape leaves. So let me get off of my bike here, because this is kind of like a lot of rough hose here and stuff. So I just want to make sure that, that I can get the bike down here. My bike is a Brompton folding bike, the one that I will be taking to Portland with me. So I will be sleeping out at night in my tent and stuff. Okay, so let's check this out. Let me park this bike where she can. Okay, just a second here. Let me get my bike here. Oh boy. Now, hopefully she doesn't fall over. Yeah, this looks like some grape leaves here, but I don't know. The vines are kind of wanting to take over. But, yeah, it looks pretty good. So we're going to pick some grape leaves. And then tomorrow, I'm going to try to make a big pot of grape leaves. Oh, my goodness. Look in the back there. Wow, this would be such a great place to put a nice garden in. Don't want to wander too far away from my bike. There's my girl there. I call her J-Lo Brompton. And the reason why I call her J-Lo Brompton is because I had a lot of problems before when I would take my bike on bike tours and stuff. I had to pay that extra fee, which was quite expensive. So I decided that, man, I had to do something about this. This is getting to be pricey, And so one night I was looking and I happened to notice folding bikes. I thought, well, what's that all about? This is when we had the care home like 12 years ago and stuff. So I've had the bike for about 12 years now. And New York Brompton store, I started watching that video about how the bike worked. I'm like, I'm hooked. So, but I didn't buy my bike from New York Brompton. I bought it from Cover Cycles in Portland, Oregon. And I've always been very happy with their service. And it's a great bike. And that's the bike I will be taking with me to Portland. Okay, well, let's keep going here. So now, what do you think of this? Whoa, geez, man. These are some nice blueberries. Check that out. Wow, look at those. Look how big those are. All the berries in Washington State grow huge just because it rains so much here. Boy, it sure would be nice if I found a pear tree on this property. That'd be a plus. Yeah. But anyway, so I'm not going to get any blueberries because I don't need blueberries. I've got lots of blueberries. My daughter has some blueberries in the back of her yard, and boy, they're really nice. Okay, well, I'm just going to get some grape leaves here. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go more for this size of a grape leaf. And I'm just going to pick them, and I'll stack them, a big bag of them up, and that should make enough for a pot of stuffed grape leaves tomorrow. Yeah, those are really nice. Wow. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hang out here for a little bit and cut some grape leaves. And so tomorrow I'll see you in the video, hopefully, that we'll be doing stuffed grape leaves. So if you guys like this video today, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. And you have a nice day. Bye now. 5-minute video.